Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change your Instagram account to a personal account. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Instagram app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. You will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and the profile page will open up. Next, tap on the professional dashboard button at the center of the screen and then tap on the gear cog icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on the switch account type feature. Then select the switch to personal account button and again tap on switch to confirm the action. Wait for it to load. Then get to the home page and reload it. Your Instagram account has now been successfully changed to a personal account. So that's basically how you can change your Instagram account to a personal account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.